So we're here today at Impactathon. We're hacking with other sustainability leaders and really passionate about this space.
I'm hoping that today you're able to all come together to find like-minded people and a safe space to create some collective impact.
People of diverse backgrounds and even age ranges think about problems that they wanted to solve within the community and how they could come together to both map out the problems and think about solutions.
I really came here today to try to get a glimpse of something that can happen, in the real world.
I think as a high school student, we're not really exposed to the idea of trial and error. I liked learning that you can fail, that's okay, as long as you get up and improve your idea.
I think one thing that I was really inspired about today was hearing from Eli, who had been a participant in a past Impactathon.
We have a bold vision, we have a bold idea. We really want to change access to financial services.
It opens your mind to these amazing ideas and some of the stuff that people are working on.
It was a very dynamic day, a lot of energy, and it's all leading up to pitches that will happen tomorrow.
I'm excited to see who takes it at the end.
We have fresh off the press, the winners from the hackathon. Best overall, $6,000 goes to Simple Gardens. The People's Choice Award for $1,000 goes to 1 Million Acres. Join us in congratulating all of these folks for their wonderful pitches.
I just want to be exposed to this kind of environment, see if I like it, learn something new so that I can use it in the future.
I'm really excited to be a part of this, and I'm really glad that I came.
Takeaways, hopefully it can inspire you to go ahead and go after a problem that you yourself are passionate about.